In the annals of tort law, there's one slimy hero who changed everything, a creature that never spoke in court. But today, we give him a voice. This is the story of Donoghue versus Stevenson, as told by the snail.
You know, they never asked me what I thought. Just assumed I was some innocent bystander, or worse, a villain. But let me tell you, I didn't ask to be bottled. I was just trying to live my best mollusk life.
It all began in 1928 in the small Scottish town of Paisley. May Donoghue was enjoying an ice cream float, ginger beer over ice cream, bought for her by a friend.
I'd been minding my own business near the factory. Dark, damp, ideal for a gastropod like me. Then, wham! Sucked into a bottle. No label, no escape, no idea where I was going.
That bottle was sealed, shipped, and served. Unbeknownst to May, something sinister lurked beneath the fizzy surface.
I remember the light. A brief glint as the cap twisted off. Then a splash. I was free, but dead. Floating in the last few gulps. May never saw me, until it was too late.
May fell ill. She couldn't sue the cafe, they didn't make the drink. But what about the manufacturer, Mr. Stevenson? Did he owe her a duty of care?
Now here's where I come in. See, I wasn't just a disgusting surprise. I was a legal revelation. Because of me, Lord Atkin asked a simple question. Who is your neighbor? Turns out it's not just the folks next door. It's anyone you could reasonably foresee being harmed by your actions.
In 1932, the House of Lords sided with May, and the law of negligence was changed forever. A duty of care was born, thanks to a bottle of ginger beer and one very unfortunate gastropod.
So next time you learn about duty, breach, and damage, spare a thought for me. I didn't make it out of that bottle, but I made it into the textbooks.
He never had a name, just the snail. But his sacrifice wasn't in vain. Because in tort law, Donoghue versus Stevenson is where it all began.
You're welcome.
Have a look around Dr. Yannis' channel for more key concepts in English law and videos to help you prepare for your exams.